Welcome back to Must See Tech. Camper trailers are perfect for outdoor exploration, but not all of them are fit for visiting remote locations away from paved roads. In this episode, we'll be reviewing the best off-road equipped models that get the toughest chassis, high clearance, and all-terrain suspensions that can take the most brutal of beatings and at the same time provide high levels of comfort on the edge of the world. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing to our channel to get notified about the new releases. Let's roll! Turtleback Expedition. This is a flagship trailer of a Phoenix-located company, Turtleback Trailers. Even the base modification is loaded with premium features, including a slide-out kitchen with a cooktop, a shower with hot water and a 42-gallon water tank, a 12-volt socket, and a dual USB charging port. The trailer has more than 50 cubic feet of storage space and requires minimum time to be set up. With its 16-inch steel wheels and off-road tires, the teardrop is designed to easily conquer the toughest terrains and road conditions. MDC camper trailers and off-road caravans. When going through the lineup of campers offered by MDC Camper Trailer, we had very hard time selecting the best candidates for this video, since all of them seem to make sense. Some models, like Extreme Explorer, have not that much to offer, just additional storage and an unfoldable tent, but they come at very affordable price of just $6,500, while others like XT12 or XT22 HRT are true luxury off-road caravans that can accommodate your whole family with the highest level of comfort, but at the same time will make it through the beaten roads, mud, or swamps. TDK Explorer trailer. Claimed to be the only no-wood all-composite body trailer in America, TDK Explorer is designed and engineered by Overland Explorer Expedition vehicles. The trailer weighs only 1,750 pounds, as it is built on a steel tube frame with aluminum body structures and wall panels of the company's proprietary composition. Inside, the trailer features aluminum storage cabinets, a roof fan, LED lights, and has enough space to fit a double mattress. It also has an outside kitchen with a sink, running water, and a cooktop. Schutt Xventure XV2. Many campers would argue that no one needs to bring his or her house along with them to the woods, and that a minimalistic approach to equipping a trailer is the right way to go. XV2 from Schutt Xventure contains the necessary minimum of equipment that one might need in the wild, and its price tag of $15,495 keeps it within the reach of an average consumer. With its hug-bolted all-aluminum structure, it is substantially stronger, lighter, more durable than traditional welded steel products in this class and can go literally anywhere your truck can go. The overland tent can sleep 2 adults, the galley table provides lots of area for cooking, and you even get a sink with heated water. Moby1 XTR. Some of us would prefer camping in remote areas far away from busy trailer parks with all their added comforts. In order to get to these picturesque distant sites, just get behind the wheel of a capable car, hitch the XTR trailer built by the Utah-based Moby1 Expedition trailers, and hit the off-road. This teardrop has traditional 1950s design, but at the same time equipped with modern tech. Regardless of the compact size, the interior is cozy, offering a queen-size bed, lots of cabinets, LED interior lighting, USB ports, built-in TV and speakers. You can also cook a meal using outside full-size galley with 2-burner Expedition stove. Camper vans, trailers and motorhomes are a trendy topic these days. We have already reviewed quite a few of them, so consider watching more videos on our channel. We're gonna leave the links for you to follow in the information cards. Let's continue. Bruder EXP-6. Whenever you type off-road trailer in the internet search box, Bruder EXP-6 will inevitably pop out, as it is undoubtedly one of the most luxurious hardcore caravans on the market. This giant is made of composite material, so the resulting dry weight is not that bonkers, around 4,200 pounds, so you won't require a massive truck to tow the Bruder. The most prominent feature that ensures off-roading capabilities is patented multi-link air suspension with 12 inches of travel and on-demand clearance adjustment that could be done via a smartphone. The interior also steals the show, being geared up as a hotel suite. The owners get air conditioning, fully equipped enclosed bathroom, sleeping area for up to 6 people, and lots of storage spaces. Mitchell by Pioneer Campers. Designed and built in Melbourne, Australia, Mitchell is an off-road trailer recognized as the best model of 2017 by the Camper Trailer Australia magazine. Though this all-terrain beast is quite compact, it offers all the necessary features for comfortable camping, including a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge and a 2 or 3 burner stove, a hot water system, a queen-size bed, and 51 cubic feet total storage capacity. The Mitchell is made using strong but lightweight materials such as aluminum and fiberglass. For better off-road performance, it is also equipped with hot galvanized chassis and an independent trailing arm suspension, rated at 4,410 pounds. Conqueror UEV 490 Extreme. Conqueror International is a South African company that originally designed and manufactured trailers for the military purposes and later transitioned to road camping and safari market. Nowadays, they have dealerships on multiple continents, and their campers are renowned for their durability and toughness. Conqueror UV490 Extreme is the current flagship model of the entire lineup. It has patented independent suspension system, massive tires and electric 12-inch brakes. When the trailer is fully set up, it looks like a large hut with all of the amenities, including but not limited to air-conditioned interior, LED lighting, 4 gallons of water with outside bathroom, fridge and freezer, sleeping space for 4 adults, and full kitchen setup.
TerraDrop from Oregon Trailers. The US-based company Oregon Trailers is a family-owned business run by two brothers Sawyer and John Christensen, who are experts in woodworking, metal fabricating, and related fields that are essential in building a quality-made trailer. Their 2018 lineup consists of 3 models: Frontier, Teardrop, and TerraDrop. The latter one is the tough off-roading offering that is constructed on the sturdy frame, rides on a heavy-duty independent XLS suspension, and has great weight distribution for additional control over the rocky terrain. The interior is minimalistic but practical, lots of lighting, storage spaces, rack system on the roof to install overland tent, plus the galley in the back could be equipped according to the requested specifications. Moreover, for most extreme camping enthusiasts, there is an alpha trim of this trailer that brings even more durability, waterproofing, and special alpha coating. EscaPod Topo series. Founded in 2015, the EscaPod project was started by a family of travel enthusiasts who needed a sturdy and versatile camper to be always on the go. Since then, their idea has grown into a manufacturing company with 2 trailer models, the Dreamscape and a more off-road focused Topo series. The last one is a tiny home on wheels with aluminum body, steel frame, upgraded 3,500-pound suspension, 17-inch wheels, and all-terrain tires. Topo series also holds a wide stargazer window above a queen mattress, USB charging ports, LED lights, a fully equipped galley kitchen, and lots of storage spaces. Plus, it can hold all of your gear, including bikes, using Rhino Rack crossbars on the roof.
Do you expect any camper to be off-road capable, or is it the feature required only by the most die-hard fans of camping? Tell us which model of the presented Caravans is your favorite, and list the models that we missed to review. We do advise you watching other episodes suggested on the screen and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Come back to Must See Tech as soon as you can.